What's going on, guys? Jay back with another review. Today we're going to be reviewing a cord that I got in the mail today, and it's from a guy I met. He makes all these cords in the US, which is really nice. Excuse me. Well, he makes them in the US in-house in his shop. So he sent me one to take a look at and kind of do a review. So I guess the thing is, I would say the first thing is, let's open it up, take a look, see what we're working with. From what he told me, from what he said, that this cord is kind of like an all-in-one. I'm mind blown knowing that this was made in the US. So we're starting off with stainless steel tips, a nice braid throughout the whole cord. On top of that, we're looking at a 66-watt charging. So I don't know about you guys, but with phones, anything with a lithium-ion battery, I'd like to be at 66 watt. 100 watt is nice, but the 66 watt kind of hits a little different just because you're not overpowering the battery. This thing has an auto stop function, so if you're charging at night, you leave it on the charger all night, this is going to stop when the phone reaches at 100%, which is really nice. A lot of cords nowadays are starting to come out with this feature, and they're charging a premium price for it. I've seen some go for like $44, $45 even. This is only $19.99. So to me, I would definitely think that this is a good buy, especially the fact that you kind of get that white and copper look. And I kind of don't like it, but I like it because it does give like a nice flow to it. So with a 66 watt charger, not only is this a regular just plain Jane charger, it's more of, it has an RGB flow to it where you can call it like breathing in that aspect. And realistically, I think it's pretty cool. I like to work at night, whether I'm doing something on the computer or whatever, or in the car. And at night when you charge it, it just has a really vibrant flow. The flow that it has is kind of like a nice, easy, subtle flow, just changing colors, going through it. So I definitely fell in love with that feature just because I was like, hey, 66 watt on and off function and RGB, I gotta have one of these. So like I said, I'm gonna link, his link in the description below where you can buy them. He's currently selling them off of his eBay store. Shipping comes in, I got this in 2 days. So from coast to coast, 2 days, that's not bad. I'm a big fan of it, just because I would have to say I like the build structure. And another thing that really got my attention is the 33,000 guaranteed bends. So essentially you can bend this 33,000 times without it giving out. That's really nice to me, especially because jumping in and out of the car, twisting the cables somehow, this thing's gonna last. For the price point, that's a pretty good guarantee. That's a really good guarantee. I do like the packaging it came in, this nice little subtle matte black bag, which is kind of cool, just because it kind of portrays it and it gives you a little glimpse of what's inside. That's really nice. I would have to say, guys, if you're looking for a charger, this would be it. This would be the charger to have. I definitely recommend it. I would definitely, buy it again, and let's just check it out. Check out the flow on this thing. We'll plug it into this little anchor we have, and right off the bat, wow. I mean, I don't know if you guys could see the function of it really, but it does have a really nice flow to it. It's spread evenly throughout, and it kind of just reminds me like of a dragon. I don't know why, but it does. It's pretty freaking cool. Like, this is really nice. So again, I would definitely recommend this if anybody's looking to kind of spice up their home office or charge their phone with it. Just to have that extra little vibrant color is really nice. It's really nice, especially with 66 watts. I mean, how can you go wrong? You really can't. So with that being said, Smash the like button, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see, because I'm always down for, new innovations. So let me know. I'll catch you on the next one.